Geek. So I'm traveling internationally with one bag travel, and I have basically everything in my Pakt Travel Bag version 2.0. But I made a big mistake, and it was an utter fail because I just don't have this. But I'm also carrying my EDC, my Osprey Axis bag, and before I was able to fit all of this inside my Pakt Travel Bag, which is a 35 liter. But the problem was it was super bulky and heavy, basically nearly 40 pounds or around 18 kilos. And if you're traveling on more restrictive airlines, especially in Asia, you definitely cannot take this on board carry-on. You're limited typically to 7 kilograms or 15 pounds. And honestly, it was so big, bulky, and heavy, it was very, very uncomfortable, even though the Pakt Travel Bag does a great job. And so in that case, I had to take my EDC out and carry it this way, front and back. So with all that being said, if you are going to be traveling internationally, especially if you're going to be doing one bag travel, definitely don't make the same mistake that I did and try to overpack, which is very, very easy to do. So that is just my quick take on my fail doing one bag travel.